Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's special Christmas tutorial, we are going to create a fun and festive Python application using the Tkinter library. We will be building a holiday greeting generator that randomly selects and displays cheerful greeting for Christmas, New Year and etc. So let's dive into the demo of how it works. So here's the basic application. Now as you can see, it has a button to generate the greetings. Now click on this button in order to generate a greeting, and it will randomly select from a list given by the user and displays the greeting for you. So this is how this basic GUI works. So let's dive into the code and spread some holiday joy. So here is the code, and first of all we have to import the modules. The Tkinter module is used for creating the graphical user interface, and the random module is used for generating that random greetings. Now let's define some classes. The holiday greeting generator class is defined to encapsulate the functionality of the holiday greeting generator. The init method initializes the class. It takes master as a parameter, which represents the main window of the GUI. For TK instance, the title of the window is set to be like holiday greeting generator. Now we have to first create a list from which it should display at the end. So a list named self.greetings is defined containing different holiday greetings. So a label widget is created to display the generated greeting. The label is initially set to generated greeting and formatted with a font. A button widget is created with the label generate greetings. The button is associated with the generate greeting method, which will execute when the button is clicked. Now the generate greeting method is defined within the class. It selects a random greeting from the self greetings list using the random.choice. The label text is then updated to randomly selected greeting using the self.greeting label config. Now finally the main Tkinter window is created. Now finally the Tkinter loop is started to run the GUI. So this is the final code. It defines a simple Tkinter based GUI application for a holiday greeting, and it will have a window and a label to display greetings and a button to trigger the generation of the random holiday list. The application is a fun way to learn the basics of creating GUIs with Tkinter in Python. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed building this holiday greeting generator, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.